First I'm going to sing it in Algonquin to honor that we're on Algonquin territory and Algonquin land. And then I'm going to sing in French to honor that the French are here as well. And I'm going to sing in English to honor that the English are here as well. This is the first time I've done it a cappella, so wish me luck. Oh, Canada, Kaora Pikashinamatakiwa, Kakijaptikitek, Ikijish Penajitek, Kinekandidam, Kijimudamoko.